Alright guys, as promised, I brought you to the water. Out into the sea. It's absolutely beautiful here. Lots of waves. And actually quite big waves today. But it's all good. Off to the left you've got Alicante, one of the nicest hotels here. I'm not staying there, but I'm actually staying in an Airbnb. Oh, trying to avoid the waves. Yeah, I'm actually staying in an Airbnb at the moment, so. And earlier on, we were up there on the castle, so you can walk up from here. Or you can actually get a bus up as well if you want. Yeah, or any form of transport. It's pretty awesome. Okay, let's go for a dive. Oh, that's nice. It's actually the first time I've shot anything where the GoPro submerged, so I'm pretty I was pretty scared about that, even though it's like a €450 camera. But you're like, make sure everything closes properly, you know, check the check all the battery doors and the side doors for the charger and stuff like that, because you know, you don't want to mess it up. And GoPro covers you. I mean, if it leaks and you closed all of those things, it's fine. It's not your fault, but if you don't, then it's on you. The guarantee doesn't basically doesn't cover anything, so yeah, make sure you do that. Massive boat out there as well. I'm not sure, is it fishing or is it some sort of tanker or transporter, but it's pretty big. And up there is the center, just behind those two buildings there, the tall ones. It's kind of like the center. You've got the old town and all that, so that's pretty cool. So far so good. The GoPro is still working. It's been submerged twice. We shall see. If this video gets up online, then it means we survived. If not, then you'll never see it anyway, so it won't matter. And I think tomorrow we go to Murcia, so I probably didn't pronounce that correctly. I think it's Murcia. By train from Alicante, and then I will show you some more of that as well. And if anyone's thinking of doing vlogs, just go and do it, really. It's not as scary as it seems. it's just to buy the equipment and go out and take action and actually, you know, shoot them. So also don't care about what people think, you know, of whatever. Just go and do it. Live your life however you want to live your life. If you enjoy doing something, then do that, and don't let anybody tell you that it's not possible, because absolutely anything you put your mind to or anything you set your mind to is possible. I've proved that numerous times over my life, you know, different things I wanted to do, I just did it, and that's it. Oh, wave. Yeah, so don't let anybody tell you that it's not possible. Later on I'm going to go over that direction towards Melia and walk out towards, there's another harbour, there's a lot of boats and stuff over there, so I'll show you that later on. And yeah, probably some of the old town, probably not by night though because the lighting isn't great, but maybe I will, maybe I'll shoot some of it. And I'll also get out and do a couple of cycles here in the mornings, so I will show you down that way, out over there. Probably go to Valencia as well one day by train. I think it's like a 2.5 hour journey from here by train, so I think we're doing that one as well. There's an awful lot of students here, living here from pretty much all over the world. I'm not sure where they're studying or what they're studying, but there's a lot of them. So Alicante is quite diverse, you know, a lot of different cultures and nationalities around here. So my plan with this channel, you know, travel your own path. I plan on interviewing people as well in time for their stories and stuff like that. You know, it's just something that I kind of wanted to do for a while, and also bring you the vlogs of, you know, my travels and my adventures. And yeah, plan on traveling full time soon. Just something I've been working on internet wise, you know, kind of Facebook ads and another few things that will allow me to travel full time, but also working from the laptop, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so and I wouldn't say the water is absolutely, you know, really warm right now. It's okay. So I'm staying for another minute or two, and then I'm gonna go back out to the beach, or sorry, back into the beach. So wait for another big wave. And guys, you're gonna meet negative people in your life as well, you know, and just, it's okay, don't worry. They'll tell you can't do it, and you just say you can, and then you do. castle again up there. Sunshine and waves. Okay, so the next wave that comes is going to be the last one, so I'm just going to switch off the vlog then. And I'll see you all later.